Viral Golden Glow Mask. How to make the face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Apply the paste evenly on cleansed skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Benefits of Turmeric and Cream Face Mask for Radiant Skin. 1. Moisturises and Nourishes. The cream in this face mask is rich in fats and nutrients, providing intense hydration to parched winter skin. It penetrates deep into the skin, replenishing moisture and preventing dryness, leaving your face feeling supple and soft. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric. Turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory agent, helps soothe irritated skin caused by harsh winter conditions. Its curcumin compound possesses healing properties that reduce redness and inflammation, promoting an even skin tone. 3. Gentle exfoliation. The natural enzymes present in cream gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and promoting cell turnover. This helps in achieving a brighter complexion and combating the dullness often associated with winter skin. 4. Combats acne and blemishes. Turmeric's antibacterial properties, coupled with cream's mild exfoliation, make this face mask effective in combating acne and reducing blemishes. Regular use can contribute to a clearer, healthier complexion. 5. Antioxidant boost. Both turmeric and cream are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals. This helps in preventing premature aging, keeping fine lines and wrinkles at bay, and preserving the youthful elasticity of the skin. 6. Enhances skin radiance. The combined effect of turmeric and cream results in a face mask that not only moisturizes and nourishes, but also enhances the natural radiance of the skin. Regular application can leave you with a glowing and revitalized complexion. Incorporating this turmeric and cream face mask into your winter skincare routine can be a simple yet effective way to combat the harsh effects of the season, leaving you with radiant and healthy-looking skin. Always perform a patch test before trying any new skincare regimen for sensitive skin.